This is why you need to jump on the Wegovy bandwagon right now. Novo Nordisk just dropped a bombshell. Their weight loss drug Wegovy is now only $199 for the first month. That's right, from now until June 30th, 2025, you can kickstart your weight loss journey without kicking your wallet to the curb. Why the sudden price cut? It's all about making sure you get the real deal. With cheaper, compounded versions of Wegovy getting the boot, Novo Nordisk wants you to transition to their FDA-approved original. And they've teamed up with telehealth providers like Ro and Hims and Hers to make it even easier. But don't sleep on this. After June 30th, the price jumps to $499 a month. Still, better than the usual $1,000, right? So, if insurance isn't on your side or you've been using those compounded versions, now's the time to switch. Ready to save and shed those pounds? Hit that subscribe button and give us a like for more money-saving tips and health updates. Stay tuned, stay healthy.